Hey everyone, quick review on these Vortex Crossfire HD binoculars. These are 12 by 50s. I'll give you an overview of them and tell you what I think. Starting from the front, there's some really nice flip caps on the front to keep your lenses nice and clean. Those hang down nicely when they're not in use, and they're easy to reinstall whenever you're done. On the back, you also have a set of lens covers here. You can see pop those off. I've got them attached to the harness. Keep in mind, the sky's the limit with binoculars and what you can spend, but for a sub $200 set, this is going to be about as good as it gets. They're a tremendous value considering the price point. Again, going over the features a little bit more, you do have the full extension eye caps in the back to adjust for whether you've got glasses or not. Very easy to move those forward and backwards, just a simple twist. Full adjustment here at the center for interpupillary distance, meaning how far your eyes are apart. Everybody's going to be different. And then we have the center adjustment here and diopter on the right pupil adjustment over here. That's going to allow you to get everything dialed in exactly according to what you need for your eyes. Personally, I find these really easy and quick to get dialed in, and I think the adjustments are just right. Some people say that they're a little bit too sensitive. I think they work perfectly as far as that goes for me, and I'm amazed at how much light these 50mm objective lenses let in. It allows you to get a really crystal clear picture in a daylight and also really good vision in low light settings as well. As you would expect with a set like this, it does come with a nice neck harness that's very comfortable to use, and it's fully adjustable, so you can make these hang as low or high as you want to match whatever works best for what you're doing. This set also comes with a nice chest harness, so it goes over the shoulders and all the way around the back and connects with a buckle on both sides here. So if you want to keep your binoculars on you, right on your chest like so, that works really well. It's got a nice latch on this so they're not coming out. Then you can pull them out and go to work. Also, on both sides of the harness, there is some mesh netting where you can put items inside on the side of the harness, and on the back, there is another mesh compartment with a zipper that you can store things in the back also. Even if you're not going to use this as a chest harness, it still is a really nice case to keep the binoculars in and protect them during times whenever you're storing them. Overall, for a set of sub $200 binoculars, I think these are a tremendous value. You get really great glass, high quality build, and they're going to work really well and give you a really nice, clear field of view. So I would recommend them. I think they work great and they're a good quality product.